Hey, kings and queens. I just wanted to do a quick recap of my vendor events for the holiday season. So, I did do street sales. My street sales went pretty good. I did a vendor event for a night event that was a Christmas tree light up, and it was not good for me. But what I learned from that was that I do not want to do any events that are below freezing temperatures. It was 32 degrees or below. Um, it was at night. It was windy. It was kind of the trifecta of things. And so I didn't have a good event. What I will say is my generator stopped working. My husband and I learned that the generator needs to operate at a certain temperature in order to be effective. So it was so cold, the generator stopped working, so the heater wasn't going to be able to be used. The ironic part is they asked me if I wanted electricity prior to that, and I turned it down because we had the generator. So now I have learned if I go to an event and they offer electricity, I'm going to use their electricity and see how that works out. Now, that may not have helped the generator from working, it may not have stopped the generator from working, but I learned that lesson. So I don't want to do cold events. They gave us cocoa, all that. That part was nice, but it was really windy, and it was just a challenging event just to be outside in those temperatures. Um, a lot of people were out there to see their kids perform and hurry up and leave because it was just that cold. So that was that. But one of the surprising things for me is that I do digital sales. My digital sales kind of took off during the holiday season. It was not holiday items that people were buying. Um, they were buying other things. So mug designs, uh, all kinds of other stuff, but mug stuff, t-shirt designs, stuff like that. So people were buying those like crazy during the holiday season. So that was surprising. But the other thing is I had some custom requests for things. So custom requests for like digital stuff, custom requests for baskets. So those were the things that were most successful for me during this holiday season. I know every holiday is going to be different. Christmas was different this year from last year. I did digital sales last year, but it was more Christmas items last year. Um, I've heard quite a bit of people talking about Christmas being slow this year for them. So I found it interesting, even just going out shopping myself and seeing how people shopped and when people got out and what people were buying. A lot of my stuff was wrapped up pretty early, so it was just interesting to kind of people watch and see what other people were doing. Excuse me. The other thing is that I took time to be with family. So sales are great. Um, you want to make your money while you can. I do have other streams of income. So being able to spend time with my family was important. My son came home from college. You guys know I have to drive 2.5 hours each way to go pick him up and bring him home. So picked him up, brought him home. He pretty much went straight to work. Um, but just using that time to spend time with family, because you can make all the money. And I caught myself saying this to my son. He was like, "Mom, I want to come home and make money," and then that's great, but you don't want to wear yourself out doing it. And you want to be able to enjoy using your money when you get your money. So if you wear yourself out, you won't be able to enjoy it. So just hearing myself saying that to him is just a reminder as well. When you're out doing these events, you want to work and you want to be able to make your money, but you don't want to run yourself into the ground. And you want to be able to enjoy your family, friends, community. You want to be able to enjoy the process. So I hope that helps somebody. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you for the next events and holidays.